Orafo, my mo akwaba and found GCN page so meeting Eddie Adjoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on the soul. Obey a notification. Video be be a shame. Ura Alote Jacobs, former Central Regional Chairman, Dema NDC Amayukuno, and our Okase. Na Anisema okay nani say. His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo Addo or Penasem papa. Now or support on 100% because Enyama Nanado ebeye president why you Ghana Hanum Enyama Odia Guakwemi na Eyadia ono Ura Alote Jacobs neni eso papa titupa Nanado ni social democratic policies or de aba and not just open another nasem who ye pa enti no say ono Ura Alote Jacobs and na Ura Kwaku Ayudohu omo no kware enyama na nado wa ye Ghana hanom eyade a eboa na so omo no kware na enunti no NDC amayoku no so omo enti ase na se any suspension no omo de omo ene na no Ura Alote Jacobs ekotena Asempa FM ekoye interview NDC fo so omo etikwa pai omo nti bida enti no ma no Ura Alote Jacobs enkasa enfem NDC party ni bio ensensem bebre na no Ura Kwakwan Yudo so keka na dwen NDC fo atro krata tetentin dia ba no se omo ama no suspension onto me friend so ye NDC member till say ensem bi okeka wa Ghana ha no agya na NDC fo mpani fa san so ababaka now omo accept no so Ura Kwaku Ayudohu NDC member neno na Ura Alote Jacobs say enti Ghana ha no yentumi nka no kware bi wa na aha say na obi abaye president na se oye nyama pa na se nti no mo bona ba so na se NDC fo no omo ntias no mo etikwa pai dia ene ono Ura Alote Jacobs na no begina ha na no gina radio so say NDC party no when gina radio so cry excuse me or Troy ewo ni Facebook page say NDC party in sema kesi wo papa na say NDC for mo de omo a ensem won be yi aba monte no enye ensem keto akra na osanso gina radio so aka say yes ensema kesi frogs ensem na snakes ensem ewo NDC party no enji say NDC for mo ya o madwen say omo be ma ono Ura Kwakwan Yudohu na sorry ono Ura Alote Jacobs and Ura Kwakwan Yudohu suspension na so omo yom ho say NDC party on person omo twam ho fim omo person omo do omo ka ho dia ene nsem e be piepie wa Ghana hanom no enye nsem keto akra no ono Ura Alote Jacobs ne de insulto ewiebo papa mu boni mu odinana do net because enye ma nanado wa Ghana hanom no eyade ye papa na ewiase so dio ofudua pa no na wo pia no nti say his excellency bi papa na so omo fe no omo bona ba so what is wrong with that I enti no say bi NDC for monti ase a omo etikwa paye na yenti nsem a Ura Alote Jacobs etudwa
Oswa Atanechi.
I can see Nana Akufo Addo as a mature president who is leading this country into prosperity. And knowing him very well, once upon a time, he was a socialist. Now, implementing social democratic policy. I will support him to the end. Honor and invite Mbawumia.
Wow.
Mbawumia is so fascinating and so unique. He's a new.
Way any and someone Ura Alote Jacobs edi etuja efa. Yamam penny ene na bedi echire eho.
Amsafo ye soy ede afiri ye kese boy emu na ansakwa na ye bekono oswafo wono ana emprempre ye no se omehwe Ghana yesika se ho nsam eso Raken ofori ata na ye nyina enim se omampanyi aboni din esa no na ewoso kopie mu ewo eye appointment committee animu na wotimi etoto na no na eboa ma bibia nso etimi ekoso na enso so etiefo ebeka ye Raken ofori ata eye afi etwa mu ane beto dwa se yade kodie wo covid-19 no yade se watimi enya bi na ne ho ato no de na enso so efiri bra ne ho eto no no ene implication kakra ewo ho a ewo se ho behia se obetu bata akopie mu ewo eye abrochima mu se de be ya obetimi akwakohwe ne ho eyade ne no anampanifo edekata apie abontense na yaresa na okwa akwaje ewa abrochima mu no obedi be se na otwemienu aye nefo edu enan enam sunti enyade se vetting committee no obetimi akopie mu na empanifo nso atumi atoto na nti odekata apie abonten ede ato vetting committee nanim se enyade se obetimi abepie mu ewo mrahye bidwafie mu hodmti brepam no wo mu ema ne dafofra obetumi abana de sefata bia se wo se omutimi ebusa no wo mu atumi ebusa na aboa ma bibia nso atumi akoso
nyame nsane yade emaye Ghana a key point back ko eno no nyame nsa ne yade ye ko na se covid no so kwa na ekosoro enti ye hwe ho ye ekọ pa se asede no smas ne we na ye hye menim se de na ekoso enti ye hwe ho ye
no smas so ye hye o
na no valentine nya sam keto wo na me ka asa amanfo oni enso bi omudi ye no
didi
nyame hu ye mobo
efunu ye de ye obekọ amnem tie de ya ibidi
eno an
udi anu ahwe ho ye
why very careful. Yeah, ka usa kase bo nyina atwa ne ho fa radio box and fa radio garden Twitter and Instagram atwa ne ho fa ho and fa ye Facebook live William Evans Inkum and Kwame Bafo Ajekum and Bobo nsem nyina no e de emaye obibini na akohene mensa echinchim afudie no efunuma e de maye yenso a enadwuada anopai ye de no nsia kase bo a edi kan kra asomwo e wo my Ghana mu ene akoma so eye men Nana Konadu Yadomene
Kwapena Nyameche Yadamase ama mumo enitia Oji ahema samede soso ama yeru Kofi Asante eni enso edi Ghana akoma jumedie no atwaso edi amamo
we can to destroy. As long as it's not coming from our camp, we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa Moho say, where's Kwame Ahoy? Where's Atu Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no, Omo He. Where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know na tiada. Because someone who say the current situation or the current state of NDC, problematic. To me, for money, bibia mani ye. Adis yenko kunipa, yenko shiade, yen tiasie, ye per boys. Hey, let's organize boys, no mkoshi jama, and the NDC for beba. Ye diobia kokot, ye penipa kakra no ma party t-shirt, and ye kudinechi, NDC for beko. Hey, and so share ho, and yashi, ye beko mufengu ya yankoko. Hey. Sa intimo de bia no we abukashi na abukashi eno nko a da bi nye na abukashi nko a NDC enye na abukashi nko a to da mo mama dwene no enye djuma mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi se mo de na adwene odem a mo no be ya djuma sebe some of you mo wonyansa chen sami jamfi enso sami jamfi be ba be ka asema kire no wagye adi na no mo na wo de be ya djuma Inconsider ben. Mo be kokot me kokot afi mo wen mugase eko. Mo wen mugase afi de mo de to mo. Okay. Now, me ba ha na me be kasa. Na se manka me so me party asemo a. Mr. Ayi Akufo Addo hold no say president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president say he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting, say, since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? Say, Akufo Addo ne wini ya na. I still don't get you guys. Then bibia minuanum we be bia no say ye ntro say ye nada say ye wickedness just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so will be bia ye bone. Now, omu wie ye no. And almost signed the question petition. Patrotio, I couldn't see. I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who say some of us ye mu bebre no ye yare awiefre. Awiefre ya de we ye ho asetena pa no ema ye free ade entem because se wo de sum for 4-5 years. Na nyame adawro ma wo bi aba na se 4-5 years wo te han mu a won ko sum mu na nyame ama opportunity say koda se nipa ya se wetumi de han ya si wo so from fie 9 na se wo kokoto abetia na se wo pedi odi dum so eba ye ma wo business say ye wo mewu ye yi wo kunadi ewa adwuma ye yi wo ye di just say hairdressers for barber for wine ice water for ice cream for ni na ho kire omo. And these are all people that are in Ghana. And anyone that was in Ghana, anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsaw time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsaw thing was. Inti se wo free sa ade ni mu ni na afi. Na sen emfie 9 penti because na Akufo Addo aba wo kan esi so wo light ye adwuma wonya ayi iron de to ade e say wonya light di sua ade enti no wo wi afi se na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because say yanhwe ni yi a on ebedu brebi no sebe ejimifo ene bedi Ghana so ebedu brebi no wo mo a sebe ye ni sika na mbom power in terms of sika. Sorry, omunim nyansa omudibu mine nembom in terms of sika no mo wo scan womo e na bebedi o mine so sika so sebe endi mine so sika yemfe mbu mine in terms of say so we sikania and no doesn't make you a good government or a good president or a good leader. You might have money and still be a bad management of money. We've seen so many people I know muska, but it's not some bad managers into no musika na ntumi anya den and survival omo form. We see this day in day out. Into seminar say NDC niba. Na so see or court. Already no why a press conference say where we need say. O court ya and no can where you. Afi wo court so a. One semo kura say be fa court. Na ye nyina so ma no. What the constitution no to why ye be twa bebre mu agu. And ye ma mo chance say mombe amend mu petition. Ye ma mo chance no. Mini aba ma. Ye ma NDC for chance so say omo sanko anko amend ya. Omo entumi amfa we ni na amba wo instead no. Omo kofa chire kofa ade bia ye friend interrogatories 12 and omo de bae. Ye ni na ye hu dia judges ne ye. Omo boni na agu ye. Eno nkoda nchen. Ye we ye no. And you be so almost say witnesses are here and to prove their case. Now, witness will be on said they have 5 witnesses who follow court case. Maybe I'm saying maintain a military control. So remember, I'm saying something different. Almost say almost the 5 witnesses and a beba and the CMA. A brand do say ye maybe a 7 or 5 witnesses. No, I feel they change it. Aqua 2 for now. Ne two no so the prime one say wom see don't get here. Now listen, I have no problem with the see don't get here being a key witness